Halion Sonic SE3 comes with all versions of Cubase, but do you know how to use it? I mean, really know how to use it? It's probably a lot more capable than you'd think. Hi guys, I'm Jay from BornToProduce.com and I want to welcome you to our brand new course for Halion Sonic SE3. Like I say, this is a fantastic program considering it comes free with Cubase. You've got wavetable synthesis, quick controls, performance pads, chord pads, external routing, keyboard and velocity mapping, and a whole load more. Let's have a look at what this course actually teaches you. So over the next 13 lessons and 2 hours, you're going to learn everything you need to know about Halion Sonic SE3. We'll start off with the basic overview so you can get a feel for it, and you'll learn the 5 main sections to this VST. After you know how to load a simple preset, we then start looking at creating your own presets and making your own layers and multiple programs. Following on from that, I teach you how to map your own keyboard and split it so you can play, for example, bass on the left hand and piano on the right hand, and I'll show you velocity mapping as well, where only certain sounds trigger once you play the key hard enough. So this would be really great for adding interest to your own sounds and own presets. Next comes the much unknown Assignable Pads or trigger pads, and I'll show you how to trigger a full-on chord with one note. Therefore, if your piano playing is not exactly great, it doesn't matter. If you're familiar with chord pads, you'll know about this. And you can also assign these trigger pads to arpeggiators and have them change arpeggiator style during playback. This is all really great for live performance and for making it easier to play. Moving on with the course and getting into a bit more detail, we have a look at the effects page and all its capabilities. I talk about the differences between inserts and send effects, and I explain that there's a main bus and 4 separate aux buses. I'll also show you how to route individual sounds out of Halion into Cubase for its own separate mixer channel. Therefore, you are free to use your own plugins on that particular sound. And this portion is super useful. Next, I go on to the Trip and Flux instruments. If you have Artist or Pro version, you get access to the fantastic Trip and Flux. Flux uses wavetable synthesis, and it's how you get them really modern EDM bass sounds and lead sounds and like dubstep type sounds. And Trip is based on an analog synthesizer and has some fantastic arpeggiators as well. So I'll be taking you through all of those in detail. And then just for a bit of fun at the end of the course, I replicate a well-known song just using one instance of Halion. I have 8 tracks running within it, and it's just to show off the capabilities of Halion just using one instance of it. And of course we make use of the external routing and the mixer and other things that we've learned in the course, so we kind of bring it all together. So as you can see, you're going to learn everything you need to know about Halion Sonic SE3 with this course, and it's all done in a super fun and easy to understand way. So that's it from me. I hope this has given you an overview of the course. Jump into the course right now to really unleash this underrated synth. All the best and thanks for watching.